Hello everyone, welcome to online lecture series on solution of algebraic and transcendental equations. Today I will explain bisection method problems. Now problem is find the real root of x power of 4 minus x cube minus 2x square minus 6x minus 4 equal to 0 using bisection method. Okay, right. Now given x power of 4 minus x cube minus 2x square minus 6x minus 4 equal to 0. Let f of x equal to x power of 4 minus x cube 2x square minus 6x minus 4. Okay, right. Now take calci. First fix decimals. Mode 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, see here, fix one button. Press it. Now 0 to 9 decimals. How many decimals you required? All problems you have to fix 4 decimals. Okay, right. Okay, actually 3 decimals enough, but we have to take one more decimal, 4 decimals. Okay, right. Now 0.40. Next type that equation. Okay, right. Alpha x. Okay, x power of 4. Next press it cap. Okay, 1, 2, third row, fourth one cap. Okay, next type 4. Okay, right. Minus next alpha x. Okay, right. Next cube, shift x square, then we get x cube minus 2. Next alpha x. Next x square, press it x square, then we get 2x square. 2x square minus 6. Next alpha x minus 4. Okay, so this is the given equation. Now substitute, put x equal to 0, then minus 4. So here f of 0 minus 4 less than 0, right? Next f of 1, substitute x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 or negative side, minus 1, minus 2, set it opposite sides. Okay, right. Now calci x equal to 1, then minus 12 less than 0. Okay, next one. Now calci x equal to 2, then minus 16. F of 2 minus 16. This is also less than 0. Okay, right. Next calci x equal to 3, then 14. F of 3 14. This is greater than 0. Okay, now f of 2 less than 0 and f of 3 greater than 0. Okay, f of 2 less than 0, f of 3 greater than 0. So then a root lies between 2 and 3. Okay, right. We take capital A is equal to 2, capital B is equal to 3. Okay, by bisection method, x equal to, what is the formula? X equal to a plus b by 2. X equal to 2 plus 3 by 2. Therefore x equal to 5 by 2. That equal to 2.5. So x value 2.5. Now type the bisection method formula in calci. Here this is the equation, given equation. It is save it. then press it AC button. Okay, save that one. Right now formula x equal to a plus b by 2 alpha x alpha, then press it calci, then we get is equal to, next left side open bracket alpha a plus alpha b, then right side open bracket divided by 2. Okay, right. Now calci, here question mark, what is a? A is 2 is equal to, next what is b? B 3, right. Finally what is x? 2.5. Okay, right. Next one, next tabular form. Next one, tabular form. Number of approximations, okay, right. Next a negative values, next b positive values, right. Next x equal to a plus b by 2. Okay, right. Next one f of x is equal to x power of 4 minus x cube minus 2x square minus 6x minus 4 under sine. Okay, right. So a value 2, b value 3, x value 2.5. Now, okay, so first approximation, a value 2, okay, b value 3, next x equal to 2.5. Next, what is f of x? Here, what is f of x? Right. So this is the formula of bisection method, and go back, we get equation. That equation, put x equal 2.5 in the given function, then calci, what is x? 2.5, right. That equal to minus 8.0625. This is negative value, so negative, so substitute, this is f of x is negative value, so substitute x value in the negative values a, then 2.5, b value same. This is second approximation. Okay, then that equal to, now we get the formula, bisection method formula, x equal to a plus b by 2. Go back to front. Okay, go back, then we get formula x equal to a plus b by 2. Calci, what is a? 2.5 is equal to, what is b? 3, right. Then 2 equal to 2.75. okay, next go back, we get the equation. Now calci, put x equal to 2.75, that equal to 0.7695. this is positive value, so this is positive value, so substitute x value in the positive values b, then 2.75, a value same. This is third approximation, that equal to, okay. Now go back, we get the formula, bisection method formula, calci a 2.5 is equal to b 2.75, then equal to 2.625. then go back, we get equation, then calci, put x value in that function, then that equal to minus 4.1384. this is negative value. Okay, so negative value, substitute x in negative values, x value in the negative values a, then b value same 2.75. this is fourth approximation. Okay, the same process alternately formula and equation. Okay, right. Now go back, we get formula, then calculate what is A, 2.625 is equal to B value 2.75, that equal to 2.6875. Now go back, we get equation, then substitute 2.6875, then we get value function value 1.8144. Okay, this is negative value. Okay, now substitute x value in the negative value is A, then what, 2.6875. This is fifth approximation. B value same, no change. Okay, now x value, go back, then calculate. So what is A value? 2.6875 is equal to B value same. Then what is x value? 2.7188. Substitute this x value in this function. Then calculate 2.7188, that equal to minus 0.55558. Okay, so this is negative value. Okay, right. Substitute x value, this is negative, so substitute x in B, then 2.7188, B value same, this is sixth approximation, that equal to. Okay, now go back, we get formula A value 2.7188, B value 2.75, then equal to 2.7344. Substitute x in f of x, then 0.0994. Okay, this is positive value. Okay, right. So substitute x in B, 2.7344, this is 2.7188, this is seventh approximation. Okay, so go back, we get the formula, bisection method formula, then calculate what is A, 2.7188 is equal to, next what is B, question mark, B value 2.7344. okay, is equal to, we get 2.7266. okay, substitute this x value in that function here, go back, we get equation, calculate, then x value 2.7266, then is equal to minus 0.2293. This is a negative value, this is negative value, so substitute x in A, negative values, 2.7266. okay, B value say 2.7344. okay, then equal to, then go back, then calculate A value 2.7266 is equal to B value 2.7344, then 2.7305. okay, substitute x value this that equation, then calculate, that equal to minus 0.0654. this is negative value, so this is negative value, substitute x in A, then 2.7305, B value same, 2.7344. this is ninth approximation, this is ninth approximation. Calculate what is A, 2.7305, B value 2.7344. 2.44, so that equal to 2.7325. Okay, right. Next we get equation, then put x equal to 2.7325. Then what is the f of x? 0.0169. This is positive value. Okay, so this is positive value. Now the 10th approximation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now 10th approximation is. Okay, right. Now 10th approximation is, here this is a positive value, so substitute in this positives 2.7325. This is same value 2.7305. This is 10th approximation, that equal to, then go back, we get the formula, then A value 2.7305, then B value 2.7325. Okay, then 2.7315. Put x in the given equation, then minus 0.0233. This is negative value. So next substitute x in negative values, 2.7315, 2.7325, that equal to, this is 11th approximation. Then calci, what is A? 2.7315 is equal to B value 2.7325, then 2.7320. Okay, then substitute x value in that function, then minus 0.0021 negative. So substitute x value in A. This is 12th approximation, 2.7320, 2.7325, that equal to calci 2.7320 is equal to 2.7325, then 2.7323, substitute x in f of x, then 0.0084. This is positive value. This is the 12th approximation. Okay, now right. Next one, 13th approximation is, here we get positive value f of x. So substitute x in positive B, 2.7323. What is A? 2.7320, that equal to, here go back, we get formula, then calci 2.7320. Okay, 2.7323. Okay, right, we get 2.7322. Okay, substitute x in f of x, then 0.0042. This is positive value. Okay, we observe this approximations 11, 12, 13. Here 2.732, 2.732, 2.732. We have near to required root. Okay, very near to required root. Observe this problem. Okay, right. Here positive, so substitute x value in positive 2.7322. Here a value 2.7320. This is 14th approximation. Now go back. We get formula in the calci. So a value 2.7320, b value 2.7322. Then 2.7321. So substitute this x value in the above function, given function, then 0.0021, this is positive value. So substitute x in positive, 2.7321, 2.7320, this is 15th approximation, that equal to, now calculate x value, a value 2.7320, b value 2.7321, then we get 2.7321. now calculate 0, okay, 0.000, right? So finally here, finally observe here 14th and 15th approximation. Here 14th and 15th approximation, observe here, have same values. 14th and 15th approximation. 14th approximation 2.7321, 15th approximation 2.7321. Okay, so hence here 14th and 15th approximations are the same values. So hence here, therefore 14th and 15th are same. 14th and 15th approximations are same values. Hence root is 2.7321. Hence the root is 2.7321. Okay, right. Thank you.